Do you want your students to be more active during your lectures? Using classroom polling is a great way to increase student engagement. My name is Pat Graham, and I'm an instructional technologist for the Center for Teaching Innovation at Cornell. In this video, we will discuss the benefits of classroom polling and offer a few sample scenarios. Classroom polling allows instructors to quickly ask a question and instantly receive responses from students during class. Instructors and students can use online polling with phones, computers, tablets, and iPads. Classroom polling is an evidence-based teaching method with a demonstrated positive impact on learning. It allows students to anonymously vote on answers in real time and is usually most effective when used with peer instruction. There are a number of ways that instructors and students can benefit from this method. For example, polling can be used to stimulate active learning environment by maintaining students' attention, increasing participation, promoting discussion and collaboration, and allowing students to apply new concepts. Polling can also be used for formative assessment, such as an in-class quiz. Here are some example scenarios for classroom polling. Creating a word cloud polling question to connect with students by asking how they are doing in the semester. Checking for understanding is another great use of classroom polling. Also, you can use polls to identify topics that need immediate clarification by posing a ranking polling question. Another good scenario is implementing multiple choice questions to drive group discussion, known as Think, Pair, Share. Ask students a challenging question. After they respond to the poll, ask them to discuss the question with a partner or in a small group. After the discussion, you can then re-poll the question. This type of peer learning is very powerful. As you're planning to implement classroom polling, here are a few considerations to keep in mind. First, questions should be carefully written to either stimulate a discussion or help students reflect on their learning. Second, students may need to be taught how to answer online questions, so consider building time for this into your lesson plan. Finally, as with any online tool, classroom polling requires appropriate internet connection and responses can be delayed. Instructors have access to a number of polling services. If you want to see the key differences and more details about polling at Cornell, check out the links below.